from High School 1 Sambit Ponorogo, and this is my story. 14th February 2014. Beautiful day, wasn't it? But do you know what happened at the time? When we woke up and looked out of the house, everything turned gray. Almost all area in Jawa was gray because of one thing. Do you still remember? Yeah, because of Mount Cloud eruption. There is a story behind it. Let me tell you this story. Did you know Mount Cloud? A long time ago, there was a kingdom in Kediri, East Java. The king had a very beautiful daughter. Her name was Dewi Kilisiti. The princess was a very beautiful. She was a very famous. Many young men fell in love with her. They proposed the princess to be their wife. However, the princess always rejected the proposal. One of them who came and proposed the princess was King Musro. He was not an ordinary king. He had a great supernatural power. And he looked very strange. He did not have a human head. Instead, his head exactly looked like a cow. Dewi Kilisiti was a very confused. She knew that the king of Musra was a very powerful. He had many soldiers. Some of them were genius. She also knew that the king of Musra was a very mean. He would hit and destroy anything if his wishes did not come true. The princess, how she could refuse the proposal. And then she got an idea. I will accept your proposal. However, I have one request, said the princess. I'm glad you will accept your proposal. Just tell me, my dear, what can I do for you? With my power, I can do anything, said King Musro. Listen, I want to take a bath on the top of a mountain, and I wanted to eat on the top of Mount Cloud. However, there is no well there, and I want to dig and make a deep well, said the princess. That's all? That's all easy for me. The princess was silent. She was thinking, and finally she got another idea. No, that's not all. I want you to finish the well within one night. The well had to be finished before sunrise, said the princess. No problem for me. You will see. You have to be ready early in the morning. The princess was scared. She hoped the king could not finish the well before sunrise. Suddenly, her fear came true. Then he asked all his genius soldiers to make the well. I have finished the well. Now, will you marry me? The princess got a good idea. I'm not going to believe it if I don't see with my own eyes. No problem. Okay, but you have to go alone and don't bring your soldiers. Meanwhile, I will bring my soldiers. Then King Alabusra, Princess Delicity, and her soldiers went to the top of Mount Palud. While she was standing at the side, she dropped her ring. King Alabusra did not want to see the princess sad. He jumped to the well to take her ring. The princess immediately asked her soldiers to close the well with big stones. He was trapped inside the well. However, before the well was completely closed, he was cursing. Soldier! I will destroy this area! I will make this mountain erupt! Everyone who heard the curse was scared. To avoid the curse from happening, the library, the habit continues until now. So, from the story, we can learn that don't break your promise because promise is promise. Thank you.